Hi, I'm Somshekhar Battula. In this video, I will answer important Node.js interview questions to showcase my backend development skills using examples where needed. And these are my Node.js interview questions. Firstly, what is Node.js? How is it different from Apache or PHP? Secondly, what is the callback function and why is it used? And what is package.json? What are its key properties? What's the difference between require and prompt? And what is middleware in Express.js? What is RESTful API? What is NPM? How do you use it? Why should passwords be hashed? I will answer these questions in this video one by one. Let's start from the first one. What is Node.js? How is it different from Apache or PHP? Node.js is a runtime to run JavaScript on the server side. It's built on Chrome's V8 engine and uses an event-driven, non-blocking I/O model. And unlike Apache or PHP, which are multi-threaded and blocking, Node.js handles many requests using a single thread, making it faster for real-time apps like chat or apps. APIs. Node.js makes charts faster to make the performance better. I think to understand how it's different from Apache or PHP. Or secondly, what is callback function and why is it used? The callback function is function passed into another to run after something finishes, especially in async operations. Let me show you that. This is a callback function with console.log should be print after the function is completed. The function runs after the file is read. This avoids blocking the code. Thirdly, what is package.json? What are its key properties? Package.json is a config file of Node.js project. Note config file of Node.js project. It defines project name, version, dependencies, and scripts. Dependencies are like example express, or scripts are like npm start or something. It helps manage the project and install packages easily. And fourth one, what is the difference between require and import? Require function is common JS, default in Node.js. Import is a ES model used when type and module is set to package.json. I will show you that. Here const express equal to require of in the parameter express. It is default in Node.js, so it is common JS. This is the use of import. This is from ES modules. That's the difference, nothing special. And fifth, what is middleware in Express.js? Middleware runs between a request and a response, used for logging, authentication, or error handling. I will show you that. Yes, this is the example for middleware in Express.js. Here we used console.request received. We are trying to authenticate. We are trying to logging in. That will be done by these functions. It is called middleware. Sorry. And sixth one, what is RESTful API? A REST API uses HTTP methods. For example, get for read, post for to create, put for to update, delete for to remove. Follows a stateless communication and uses URLs to represent resources. Let me show you that. Yes, like this we use get, post, put and delete REST APIs. What is npm? How do you use it? npm is a node package manager. npm stands for node package manager. It is used to install packages, run scripts, share, manage project dependencies. For example, if you want to install packages, we use npm install express. If you want to run the scripts, npm start, like that we used npm. Why hash passwords? Hashing protects passwords if the database is leaked. Uh, the password becomes unreadable and cannot be reversed. Let me show you this. Yes, this is the code. The password becomes unreadable in this function and cannot be reversed. Should be in between 10 characters and should not be reversed, like that. It useful for hashing. That's all the questions are covered. Thanks for watching. These were key Node.js questions. I hope I explained them clearly and confidently. See you next time. Bye.